This is Manoa Falls. On my way hiking up a trail to get to the waterfalls, but this scene right here was so beautiful I just had to stop and just get a picture and a video of this. And it keeps raining. Oh my goodness, I didn't know it rained so much here. Just wanted to give you a closer up picture of these magnificent trees. Okay, almost to the final steps of the waterfall. And here it is. As you can see, the ground is kind of wet. It's raining, but it is nice. And right here we have these rocks in the way. I can't get over, but I can actually walk down more on the trail right here and get all the way down and get in the waterfall. Okay, so I finally made it to Manoa Falls in Hawaii, and as you can see, it's quite beautiful. It took approximately, I would say 45 minutes to hike up the trail, along with stopping and taking pictures and getting ready for the rain. It's raining a good amount right now, but that's just how it is here. But the waterfall is beautiful. I love it. I'm going to try to get a little bit closer down, maybe get my feet wet. I'm not going to get all the way in there, but I will get more in there than what I am right now. Okay, see you in a little bit.